Hey, Gratuitous here from itsgratuitous.com. I released a little update to the M Audio Oxygen Pro FL Studio template by Gratuitous. It is on version 3.0.2. And again, just come to the website. You come down here to the change log and you can see what I have changed. I just want to quickly talk about that. I fine-tuned the T-Rex Classic Clipper, as well as I fine-tuned the FabFilter Pro L2. All right, so let's quickly look at the Pro L2. Okay, so as you can see, the output is -1. This is the industry standard right now. And I always like to have 1 decibel of input gain to kind of compensate for that reduction. And so when I was wanting to get hands on mixing, I noticed that this was able to go down to 0, and I don't like that. I always like it to go back to 1. So as you can see, that is one thing I adjusted. We have our slider where it doesn't go less than 1. Okay. Again, if you want to learn more about how I have set up the knobs and sliders for each of these plugins, you can just visit itsgratuitous.com and make sure to visit the help area. And then you can come here to the Oxygen Pro. And on the side here, I have all of the supported VSTs. And you can see there is tons of videos for all the different plugins. Okay. And then the T-Rex Clipper, what I did was I just fine-tuned the knobs, because when I initially released it, everything was set up off of the knobs. But usually I like the last slider to be the input gain before it was the knobs. So again, now we have our slider. I have also reduced the amount we can increase and decrease, because before it was just like super, way too sensitive. And usually when I'm using this, because as you can see, it is on the master track. Mastering is usually very, very subtle stuff. So we are able to get a lot more fine-tuned off of the slider, okay? This slider here is our off and on. So for example, if I hit play, so right now it's off. Okay, so turn it back on. So pushing a little hard. Okay, this one here is our output. Okay, so if we are increasing our volume, we want to kind of turn it down a little bit. And then when we turn it off and on, you hear like a fair volume comparison. It was clipping pretty hard there. So that's pushing it pretty hard. So let's bring this back a little bit. Okay, turn this down. Off. Okay, so let's turn up the gain a little bit. And then this one right here does our slope. And that's it. So that is just a quick little update to the M Audio Oxygen Pro template by Gratuitous. Again, you can visit itsgratuitous.com. Just go to the website and you can see it right there, okay? Again, just come down here to the change log. You can see what's changed, or just learn more about it, okay? If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email at hi@itsgratuitous.com.